Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to unsubscribe from Grammarly. To unsubscribe from Grammarly, you can cancel your subscription directly through the platform you used to purchase it. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you cancel your Grammarly premium subscription. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Click on the account icon here. Now navigate to the subscription page. Here you can find Cancel Subscription button, which is usually at the bottom of the page, and follow the prompt to confirm the cancellation. Once you confirm, Grammarly will stop future charges. You will still have access to premium feature until the end of the current billing cycle. Cancelling your Grammarly subscription will ensure you are no longer billed. But if you ever wish to use Grammarly Premium again, you can resubscribe at any time. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.